This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to translate page on Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! A valuable skill in the modern world is reading and understanding content in foreign languages. Whether you're traveling, studying, or simply interested in learning new language, being able to translate can provide you with more information and knowledge. Fortunately, Google offers a quick and easy way to translate not just text but entire web page in a few clicks. And how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, of course, we can open our Google Chrome and open the page that we want to translate. For example, I will open this page. Now, as you can see, this page is using English, and I want to translate this page with another language. How to do it? You can just tap on the three dots on the upper right corner here. Now you can see there is an option translate. You can just tap on that. And here you can just choose on the language that you want to translate this page to. You can just tap on the settings icon in here. You can tap on more language and you can choose on the language that you want to use. Maybe for example, you want to translate this into French. And now you can see this page is translated to French language. And you can translate this to your English again. It's so simple, right? So that is how to translate page on Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!